Hello everyone, that's question 3 for HL and 5 for SL. I will show the calculator settings and calculator screenshots as well. Here is our function. We are given a specific domain. So let's see my calculator settings first. Go to document settings. I keep my display digits as 3 floats. And settings for my graph screen is similar. I like to keep the grids on. Go to settings, keep it float 3, and grid line is lined. Press tab and type the equation. I want to see the graph in a specific domain only, so I am describing it like this. X is in between 4 and 14. We can drag and we can change the window settings, and here is my decreasing function. In order to see the range, press Ctrl T and check the endpoints. H of 4 is 40.5, H of 14 is 3.77. While writing the domain or range on your paper, you can use interval or set notation, it's up to you. I like to use the interval notation. So both endpoints are inclusive. It's a decreasing function, so pay attention for which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Part B is about inverse function. So let's say h inverse of 10 is a. Based on the definition, h of a equals to 10. To find a, I will use my calculator one more time. On the graph page, press tab for the second function, type 10. We need to find the intersection points. We have two options, geometry or analyzing graph. Only one intersection, so I will use analyze section, and here is our a value. I would sketch a very basic graph as my method. A is 8.21. Part II is asking about meaning of 8.21 in the context. It is the diameter which makes the height 10. And III is asking for the range of H inverse, which is same as the domain of H. So you just need to be careful and copy your answer with Y. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you soon.